If yes, can I draw the trend lines? Theoretically, yes. Now let me take the real race so that life is easy. Can I draw the trend line like this? Okay, is this trend line valid? This trend line is not valid because it is cutting through the candles. It should never cut through the candles. So the right trend line is this. See, see here, this trend line is broken. Don't worry about it. That's never an issue. It is broken, that's it. But trend line is trend line. A trend line can be broken. If you want me to draw a trend line to the latest level, I need to pick some good valleys and peaks. Let me pick a very classic pattern. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Can you verify now? Can you apply the 3 rules and tell me if it is valid? Is my trend line valid? Yes. And see, when I joined valley 1, valley 2, automatically the price level got respected in the future. It's classic, no? Perfectly it respected. Very interesting. Now let me pick some more interesting examples. Is this trend line valid? And here is my is this trend line valid? PG, why it is invalid? It is absolutely valid. Okay, think about the 3 rules. PG says, Ashok, which is the best time frame to draw trend line? Sir, the best time frame to draw trend line is any time frame, depending upon which time frame you are trading. Now I erase that. I will take the ray. Can I draw this trend line? It is not cutting candles. It is cutting candles afterwards, not now. Please do not get confused. It is cutting afterwards. But your connection is, where is the valley and peak in this one? This is my valley and peak for this trend line. Okay. Now, can I also draw this trend line? It will get complicated. Wait, I'll pick some more scenarios here. Okay, this is going to be a very good trend line. Now tell me, is this a perfect trend line for you? My valley is this, and second valley is this, and third valley is this, and therefore I am going to draw one more trend line from here till here. Okay, it means if three rules are applied, then cutting is allowed. Certainly not allowed. Sorry, don't be confused. That is why I came into this chat. Okay, you are, in fact, I was trying to draw lines in the past. So you are thinking cutting is happening. No cutting allowed. That is why I came here. You need to join two valleys. You can also join more than two valleys if they are in sync. I will show you. Now look at the same example. Okay, I'll remove all drawings. Take the same example. Now everyone agree if this is my valley and peak. Everyone agree this is my valley and peak. Valley 1, valley 2, valley 3. Okay, now if I want to draw my trend line, I have to go like this. See, if I go and join the third valley from first valley, can I join like this? Is this joining? See, I joined valley 1, valley 3. It is wrong. Why? Why it is wrong? It is wrong because it is cutting through the candle. It cannot cut. So how the candle should be? Should always be like this. This is justice. Now look at this. I'm going to erase this. Now look at these two as these two. Can I draw like this? Though it is broken, that is a different story. Can I draw like this? You can draw like this. Now I'll give you an excellent homework. I'll throw you a challenge now. Can I draw this trend line? If you say yes, explain me why. If you say no, tell me why. Subbu and Ravi says it is not allowed because your H1 is greater than H2. You have two valleys. Yes, V1, V2. Your L1, L2 is also passing, but high 1, high 2 is not passing. So this trend line is invalid. Everyone agree? Superb. See, it's as simple as it looks. You just need to understand and digest those scenarios. In a bearish market, you will see only drops. Let me see if I can find yet another interesting trend line drawability. Many times, even if you put effort, you can't draw trend lines. You know why? Because the behavior will not support you. Always remember, drawing trend lines, once you get the grip properly, you try to draw, you'll struggle now. Why? You need to pass the rules. If you don't pass the rules, it's difficult. Is this trend line valid? Okay, that is good. Now we are running short of time. Let's come back. Now here is the opposite side. What do you call this? What do you call this? That is a peak. Very good. What do you call this? That is second peak. Very good. Can I draw the trend line? Check your rules. Let me call it L1 and L2 only for simplification of the matter. See? Tell me, can somebody type the rules for peaks? Rule number one, I will tell you, peak one should, and there should be two peaks. Peak one, peak two. Next. L1 should be greater than L2, and what about H1, H2? H1 should be greater than H2. Okay? Yes. Now have a look at peak 2 and 3. Are they passing the rules for you to draw the trend lines? If yes, I can draw a trend line like this. And how many of you think, or how many of you agree that we are not supposed to draw a trend line like this? This is invalid. Correct? Brilliant. That is the learning for today. That is the biggest learning for today. So there are many bad ways to draw trend lines. Can you draw a trend line here? Nope. Why? Can't I draw a trend line like this, friends? See, nicely I can join. Subi says, no, it's wrong. L2 is lower than L1, absolutely. Okay. H2 is greater than H1, but L2 is not greater than L1. That is the problem. Okay, how about this? Can I draw this trend line? Krishna says yes. Madhu says yes. Vinay and Vikram says no. PG says yes. Manish, Abhi, Rohit. Valley is incomplete, okay? Because your H2 is not greater than H1. Okay, now let me say this is my valley. Now can I draw a trend line now? Why can't I draw this trend line? How many of you accept this trend line? Right or wrong? The second trend line. Now tell me. Correct? Brilliant. So the trend line is valid. Now let me go back to the system. Okay, let us find some peaks and troughs so you get the concept, properly inbuilt into your mind. Nifty 50 watch list. Okay. Can I draw this trend line, friends? Say yes or no. You want it in a lower time frame, we can do that. 15 minutes. Okay. We'll draw on a lower time frame. So we'll find some interesting patterns. Now the problem is you will not see liquid scenarios. Can I draw a trend line like this? Yes, it is broken here, but can I draw it like this? Okay, sounds good. Can I draw this? Can I draw this? You cannot draw this. And that is the reason. Clear? Okay, let me go to a higher time frame. I'll focus on Nifty 50 only so that I can find liquid scenarios to chart, because or else we'll be keep searching. In an uptrend line, in a bull market, you don't get too many picks. How many of you agree? See, I'm struggling to find one. This is a trend line which I can draw. Let's do at a lower time frame only. See if we can find something, because lower time frame you can get a lot. How about Bank Nifty? Is this a good trend line? No, 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 no. Vinay says yes. Vinay, introspect yourself. It is a no. Not bad. 75% answering correctly. Let me go much lower. Why not on a lower time frame? Can't I draw this trend line which got broken? Brilliant. Awesome. You guys know a lot. Okay. So summary of the learnings. There are two kinds of SR line, major SR line, minor SR line. SR flip is a point of transformation of the domination between buyers and sellers. There is a way to draw trend lines. They have rules too. And improper trend lines leads to wrong positions and trades. This is the summary of today's learnings. We have mathematically defined rules to draw trend lines. Going forward, try to draw. It will trouble you a lot. The more difficulty it is for you to draw a trend line, you are right. If you keep drawing trend lines everywhere, that means the process is wrong. And now try to see market with a new way of drawing these trend lines. Just an information, we are coming out with India's largest retail intraday traders conference coming up in November. So it will be a 12 days event where 12 speakers share 12 strategies and 12 amazing sessions. It will be a massive, one of the largest, probably the first intraday traders conference ever planned in India. Okay, if you want to know more about this, you can go to the website www.intrazon.in. Okay, that is the website address. You can always go and have a look. All right, so that brings us to the end of the today's session, and the line is open for Q&A. Thanks, Subbu. Okay, if you guys have liked the session, do a small favor. Okay, before I take the Q&A, let me do this. Let me take that link. Okay, just you need to pick Traders Gurukul link. Let me show you. T dot pitch. If you have really enjoyed this session today, go ahead, throw your valuable reviews here. I've sent the link also, spare 2 minutes. You can finish it off in 2 minutes time by the time we conclude our Q&A sessions. Okay. So I will come back again next week with a lot more interesting sessions. This is going to be a major weekly webinar series where I am going to bring some of the India's best speakers every week to share a new concept. Okay, coming to Q&A. Ashok, in one particular time frame to draw trend line, how many past candles should you go? You can go anywhere, PG. There's no restrictions at all to draw trend lines. There's nothing like consideration. Thanks, Vinay, for your words. Thanks, Subbu. Thanks, Pawan. Thanks, Shubham. Please go ahead and write the same review in our link I've shared. That would be useful. Princess Kansara says, how to use trend lines with moving averages? Trend lines with moving averages? First of all, moving average is an indicator. I don't enjoy using moving averages, Kansara. I'm sorry. What's the angle of trend line? Angle of trend line is this, whatever you see here. Let's suppose if this is your valleys, if this is your trend line, then this is the angle. And that is not relevant or significant anyway. Okay. Thanks, Rohit Jadhav. Thanks, Jayant. Please throw your inputs there. Sandeep says, Ashok, after drawing an SR line, shall I draw a parallel to make a channel? Why do you want to do that? Next, Pawan says, which is the best interval to draw trend lines? There is nothing like best interval. If you ask me personally, the best time frame is any time frame. The best interval is any interval. The best moving average is any moving average. Okay. Thanks, PG. Appreciate your valuable words. Please do share the same feedback in the link provided. It will take 2 minutes for you, and we will give you back the time and effort with interest and dividends. And those of you who are serious intraday players, you can always go ahead and join the Intrazon conference. I think more than 150 seats have been sold out. There are still around 50 seats at early bird. It's just about 3,000, maybe for 12 days of event. One of the most economical events ever planned in the country, and the first of its kind pure intraday conference, which means the speakers will talk only intraday. Okay. Which is the best point to buy a stock? Current, that is again a huge and wider topic. Okay. So today our learning was purely trend lines. Okay. And in the subsequent sessions, I can come back with more interesting concepts. Okay. There are some amazing videos in my YouTube channel. Okay. We have shared lot of information, lot of information, some amazing strategies also. Please do go to our YouTube channel and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates for you guys. So somebody's asking, Ashok, what would be your next topic? Well, the next topic can be probably something on manipulations, precision entries. We'll pick up some good topic. I generally don't enjoy teaching concepts of indicators, but the only indicator I ever used in my life was Ichimoku. See, you can see already I have posted the Ichimoku videos also. You can go ahead, have a look at it. That would be interesting. Got it, Sandeep? The next topic is, let me think. I will definitely come back with another interesting topic. And the next week conversation, if you go to Traders Gurukul website, you will see the next two speakers. So the next speaker is on 19 September. It is Swapnaja Sharma free session, followed by Jyoti Budhia session on 26 September. So go and subscribe to those links to attend the weekly webinar series. And there's one more interesting session coming up by Mr. Toviti Brahmachari on how to use moving average consistently in a unique manner. So that is a paid session, of course. Okay. Do you have any paid course? People who are interested in my quarterly workshops can go and check www.i3t3.in. That is my quarterly webinar, and the next webinar comes up sometime in November. Okay, PG, that's the answer. Coming back to Q&A, Ravi says, how much is the percentage success of Ichimoku? It entirely depends on you. Okay, an indicator doesn't define the win rate, the trader defines it. So Dave says, any correlation in trend line while finding a chart pattern, any correlation in trend line while finding a chart pattern. So what pattern you're talking? Dave, you need to properly elaborate. Dhananjay, Ashok, can you tell the cost of Intrazone? No, it's very, you go to the website, my friend. Go to website, you get everything. Click on webinars, it is there. Intrazone costs 3,000 rupees, all inclusive, with GST. It's 3,000. Dhananjay? Line chart or candle, which one is better to draw trend line? I prefer candlesticks. Rajan, candlesticks are the best ways to draw trend lines. There is no charts which are much superior to candlesticks according to me. Katel Prukbali, thanks for your valuable words. Please do share your feedback in the Google sheet. If you have done last week or last month, you don't have to do. If I'm not done, transform the same review there. You can try it, Vinay. Okay. So next week is my friend Swapnaja Sharma, who is coming on live next week. She is going to talk about effective way intraday setup for retail traders, and Jyoti madam, she is coming up with a topic on simplified covered call strategy. Okay, so we don't give recordings. All recordings would be in our website. Log into the website, sign in inside, you will get your user dashboard. Okay, this is your user dashboard. Click on webinars, and all the webinars which you have access to, all those webinars would be available. And go and check in the website, all the previous recordings are also available. There are a lot of free courses also available for you. Okay, for example, Super 25 5 sessions, lot of free content is there. Please do go there and have a look. Yes, friends, we don't give recordings for download. You can always go and watch the same recordings there. And not only that, go and follow my YouTube. There are some amazing videos, as I told, which have been loaded from the past few months, and I'm sure there's a lot of important information there. Go and refer them. Next, it's Maya. Ashok, when is your lectures again? Maya, probably I'll come back next month. Okay, I try to come once a month. So next month, probably same time. Every 4 weeks once, I'm going to come for sure. Okay, and this the speakers, in the sense, as a part of the weekly webinar series, which I want to make it a pan-India event. So every week we come with lot more interesting videos. Thank you, Vinay. Throw the same feedback in the link I've shared. Okay, so if you guys go and log into the website, the complete Ichimoku series is also there. Go to webinar recordings. Where is Ichimoku here? Workshops. Aha, you should go to courses. I'm sorry. If you go to courses, you'll get Ichimoku plus King Price Action, the complete series you have, and all the 7 videos have been loaded there. It's completely free of cost. You guys can go and subscribe and watch them. Vinay, is that clear? Awesome. So any other questions on the topic? So those of you who are interested, who are serious intraday traders, go to Intrazone. It's one of the most economical 12 days event ever planned, pure intraday conference. And anybody who's looking for price action mentorship, go and check i3t3 website. And those of you who have been with us, always be in touch with us through the Traders Gurukul site. You'll get a lot of information, and we will come back with lot of free stuffs, of course. Okay, that will be a part and parcel of our activities to contribute back to the ecosystem of trading. So if you guys are asking, those of you asking for my Telegram link, you have to search for, this is my Telegram link, this is my email. Okay, and you can check in Twitter. Ravi says, can I expect more discounts on Intrazone? No, my friend, it's already discounted. It is almost 12 days event, my friend. Okay, and you get to access all the content for lifetime. In Traders Gurukul, there is no expiry business. And last time we did even this interesting event called as Option Omega. It was one of the largest option conferences. So look at this. Go and subscribe to Option Omega 2x12. That is also free. You guys can have a look at it. Okay, and next event definitely will give a lot of discounts, because I don't have this coupon code features available in my website. Once we bring that website, we will definitely have a lot of interesting stuffs in Traders Gurukul, because we have some of the best speakers in the country listed on the website. Okay, cool, sounds good, friends. With this, we come to the end of the session. I hope every one of you enjoyed it. For more information, follow us and subscribe to our website www.tradersgurukul.com, and also follow my YouTube channel Precision Price Action Trader, and subscribe there, and every month you'll have some interesting videos on price action coming up for you. Thank you very much.